Good morning students. Now we'll discuss how to make pentagonal frustum model. See, I already made this one. Okay. This is pentagonal frustum, and see this one 3 centimeter and the lower side is 5 centimeter. See, this is 5 centimeter. So how to make this? And for this we require a small quarter size chart paper, scale, pencil, and glue, scissor. Okay, a cutter, colors. Let us start. So the formula is we have to take the double of the side. Okay, we have to draw the semicircle, and by taking double of the side. So this is 5 centimeter means 10 centimeter. So I am drawing first 20 centimeter line. With the diameter. Okay, this one 10 centimeter. Okay, double the side. And another will take, that is 3 centimeter, that is 6 centimeter. So this is here 6. So we'll draw two semicircle. This is OA. And this is OA dash. So from here this is 10 centimeter, and here this one 6 centimeter. Now we'll draw the circle, semicircle. Okay, now taking 6 centimeter, we'll draw another one. Right. Now, as our side is 5 centimeter, okay, so taking 5 centimeter, you have to cut the circumference 5 times. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, see this one A, so this one will be the B, this one C, this one D, E, and this one A. Okay, now we'll join OB, OC, OD, OE, OA. Here the A dash, so this is B dash, this one C dash, this one D dash, E dash. Now we'll join this one AV, this one BC, CD, DE, EA. Okay. Now this one also will join A dash B dash, B dash C dash, B C dash D dash, D dash E dash, and E dash A dash. Now here border, we'll keep a border here. Now we'll put here and we'll draw the pentagon. This one here, we're drawing a pentagon here. Okay, now we'll take the cutout and I'll draw here another pentagon, the 5 centimeter side. So this is 5, 5, 5, 5. This one 3, 3, 3. Okay, so this one also 3, 3, 3, and this one the B dash, this is A dash, this one E dash. Now here join this one. Now border. So this is C, so this one B, this is A, so this is all 5, this one E. Okay, so I'll join this one here. So now this is the upper side border. So now net diagram for the pentagonal frustum model is over now. Now we'll cut the net diagram. The pentagonal frustum model net diagram. See, this is the upper base, it is the lower base or face, you can say. Now we'll fold the sides. Now see, it is coming slowly. I will fold this one. So now see, so this is now see this one. So this way so this is the pentagonal frustum model, and it can be used for the mathematical model and mold for the candle, gift box, and the section of the pentagonal bottle. Okay, for this also you can make like this. So this is pentagonal. Okay, bottle, for bottles we use this one. Okay. So this way also you can join, and you can make dholok and this one many things. Thank you.